Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Now the chart which you are seeing is a Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Yesterday we had the weekly analysis and we expected crude to stay in selling, having the marked blue color box as the major resistance zone unless until the price clears this 6020 zone and put a closing above the 6020. We expected crude to continue its selling and our expected target zones was 5920 and 5870s. That was the low that was created on 5th of November. So that was our weekly expectation. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. You can see that yesterday market opened just below the previous day's price closing. So the market opened nearly 5980s. Right after the price opening, straight away the market came down and tried to hit this 5960 zone. Now the contract which we are seeing is the December month contract. We had explained it clearly since the contract was likely to expire. This November contract was likely to expire soon. So in our weekly analysis and for the coming week, we will be focusing on the December contract. So you can see straight away the price hitting 5960 and it was quite comfortable in breaking this 5960 and entered the next target zone of 5920, where it found some support. Some sort of support happened in 5920. From that the price was tried to push towards 5960. Again we know that now this 5960 is going to act as a resistance. We know that support and resistance interchanges itself. Then after the price came and broke this 5920 very clearly, and then the price ultimately reached our next target zone of 5870s and it entered near 5860, where the price closed near 5807. On seeing the entire price action that happened on yesterday's market, on Monday market itself, we can say that we reached our weekly targets of 100 points. Always we give crude oil a 100-point projection for a particular week and we work towards that in reaching that 100 points. So what happened? Straight away the market was completely dominated by the sellers and crude oil price continued selling. So what we can do for today and for this coming days, since we had reached our weekly target, the expected crude oil price opening was near 5880s. This is the area where we can expect crude oil price to open. Based upon the NYMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening that may be subjected to changes because we don't take the rupee factor into account. We are seeing a very great volatility and the price of crude oil is dropping very steeply. Stay close and watch that, and that is a major reason why we always insist you to watch our weekly video presentations and also daily video presentation, because we will be focusing more on the support and resistance zone, the targets which we had marked based upon our experience. You can see very clearly the price is reaching our targets. So the one important thing which we want to say repeatedly, we keep saying, don't try to bet against the trend. So here in the weekly analysis we always follow the trend, and also we had in the weekly analysis which we posted yesterday, we had provided you the trend lines and the expected trend which we had followed. So what we can do today is that we can still expect crude oil to continue its downtrend, but we want to decrease the stop loss. This is one way of protecting the profit if you like to float your position and make use of the trend completely. So till you can see I had moved the stop loss to 5960, which was the yesterday's key resistance zone. On November 14th you can see that the price took the support around 5960. Now it took the resistance near 5960. Till 5960 you can expect crude oil to stay in downtrend. Till this price you can go for an average, and because whenever the trend is strong, there will be always some bounce back or retracement happening in crude oil market. If you had made sufficient profit, just wait for the price to consolidate and then you can enter the trend. Today also we are expecting crude oil to continue its downtrend. The expected next target zones are 5832 and 5816. These were all the expected target zone for the coming days if the crude oil continued its trend. This target zone, again we want to say that we are marking this target zone based upon the histories of chart and based upon the histories of our experience. So you can see, if you are a continuous follower of our presentation, how accurately we are reaching our targets. So today also we are expecting crude oil to continue its trend. So stay focused on the key zones till 5960. You can expect crude oil to stay in downtrend. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.